Hi everyone, this is Pawan. In this video, I am going to explain about how to create a Telegram chatbot. First of all, we have to know what is a chatbot. Chatbot is nothing but it is interacting with the users to receive messages and process them and send response back to the users. And for creating this chatbot, we mainly require two things. First one is token and the second one is API keys. These tokens are provided by the Telegram bot further which is provided by the Telegram. In this bot further we can have which helps us to create different types of bots that we require, like we need. This helps us to create a user can create their own chatbots with the help of this bot further. And the second thing required for the Telegram, for creating Telegram bot, is API keys. This API key is nothing but application programming interface. This is the intermediate between the client and the server. For suppose if a client require wants some data from the server, this API helps us to take the take the request from this client and send it to the server, and again the server gives the response back to the client with the help of the APIs. And this like for creating this chatbot, I using the concept of weather based API. That means I am using the API of weather application. And next, in order to create in order to create the chatbot, first we have to install some modules like uh, request module. Let me show you what is it. See, here is the request module. This module helps us to create it helps us to use the application programming interface keys. But it's becoming old. But nowadays this module is using by the less people, because the maintenance of this request module is very less, so people are shifting to the another module called needle module. Now it is very famous because most of the people are using this module. And I have taken the API uh, which is based on the weather I taken this API from the provided from the website called here you can see that weather API website. Here you can see from this website I have taken the my weather API application. See here. Here this is the code for the this is the key for the weather application ID. And now let me show you the how I written the code and explain. I will explain this code. See, this is the code that I written for the creation of the chatbot. Here in the first line you can see that telegram bot equal to required node telegram bot API. This is nothing but a telegram bot module which helps in linking the telegram bot. And the second line is the request const equal to request equal to require request. This is the nothing but installation of the module. This module uh, helps us to which is used to make the HTTP request. That means this second line you can see a constant request used for making the HTTP request. And the second line we have the constant equal to token, and we have some other number. This token is nothing but the ID. In previously I said in Telegram we have a bot further in this bot further we can create our chatbots. For my chatbot, for creating every chatbot we have an individual for uh, unique token. And the token is nothing but here I placed it. This is the unique token that I got, and this is the token I using for my chatbot. And second, and here is on the next line you can see that const bot equal to new telegram token, and polling slash true. This is nothing but this is used for making like how can I say it, um, it is used for taking continuous messages from the chatbot. Like if your user is sending messages from the chat, I can easily take this request from take this messages from the chatbot with the help of this. And next we have bot dot on. The bot dot on is this is a bot dot on function. This is having two parameters. One is message and the function, and the another is called call. Another parameter is called callback function. This message is nothing but the chart which is written by the user on the on the telegram bot. And we have another line here, second line we can say that request and there is a web link. This is the link, this link is nothing but the link of the website from where I have taken the API. And this link contains, there is a key na, key is equal to 75. This is the API key I have taken from that website. And from this first from the and again we have a function called function array response and body. These three are nothing but the uh, parameters for that function. And now coming to this function, if in this function we have two conditions, that is if condition and else condition. In this if condition, if the for suppose in this chartbot, if I return and enter a name called Hyderabad, like you can see, I will show you just a minute. Here, see this. I am entering a code called Hyderabad. No, no, let me Mumbai. Mumbai is my favorite place. That's why I'm entering. Just wait. Okay, okay, just my mistake. Just I enter it. See, just there is a mistake in it. Just let me take in it. Just wait a minute. I will see it again. Just me run first. Let me run this in this. I just first we have to run this now. I just forgot it to run it. I just mistaken it. I'm running node. Just is running. Now coming to this chatbot, I'm entering the city, Mumbai. Yeah, okay. Just I have a network issue. Just a minute. Sorry for that. Let me tell. Oh God, some errors. Let me check it. Let me run it again. Yeah, here it is. Here I have entered this two times, so that's why I got this many times. So don't bother. Because of the network issue, it was taken some time. I'm entering another name series, Kolkata, and I enter. See, this is how it will the chatbot works. Now coming back to our code. Here I am saying the request API. Here you can see that msg.text. Here is the input which is taken from the Telegram bot. For example, here I entered na Kolkata. This is the city name I have entered, and this is the taken at the message.text. And this API will take that Kolkata as an input in that API website, and it will display the output like this is the output I got. And here I have given the That means what the chatbot should show the output is I have written here. See this. I have written location, region, day, local time, current, last update here, etc. etc. This is the written. This is I have written that so that if I enter any name like wait, like Kolkata I enter na, I enter another place like Vizag, WVI Vizag. If I enter like Vizag name and it will show me the weather locations of that area. This is the parameters that I have given. And coming to this code, this is for suppose if I enter any wrong inputs like invalid names, then it will give us an error in this if condition. This is how we build a chatbot. Thank you. See this like